To minimize the risk of foodborne illness, food handlers should A. Wear gloves at all times. B. Use antibacterial soap only. C. Follow proper hand-washing procedures. D. Change gloves hourly. Answer: C. Follow proper hand-washing procedures. To serve desserts efficiently, it is advisable to A. Pre-plate them in the kitchen. B. Allow customers to select from a dessert tray. C. Serve directly from the dessert cart. D. Use the same utensils for all types of desserts. Answer: A. Pre-plate them in the kitchen. Which component of the thermometer is critical for its calibration using physical methods like the ice point? A. Display. B. Battery. C. Probe. D. Cover. Answer: C. Probe. The minimum internal cooking temperature for hot dogs is A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. B. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius. C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius. D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. Answer: A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. Game animals such as venison should be cooked to a minimum temperature of A. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. B. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. C. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. D. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Answer: C. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. What is the minimum contact time generally recommended for sanitization to be effective in a 3-compartment sink? A. 30 seconds. B. 1 minute. C. 2 minutes. D. 5 minutes. Answer: A. 30 seconds. To minimize contact, you should serve food from A. The left and clear from the right. B. The right and clear from the left. C. Either side, as long as it is consistent. D. The front only. Answer: A. The left and clear from the right. Which of the following is not recommended for food handlers coming to work? A. Wearing a clean uniform. B. Having freshly done artificial nails. C. Showering before the shift. D. Keeping fingernails short and clean. Answer: B. Having freshly done artificial nails. Which of the following requires the highest minimum internal cooking temperature? A. Whole chicken. B. Pork loin. C. Beef roast. D. Lamb chops. Answer: A. Whole chicken. Tofu or other soy protein should be cooked to a temperature of at least A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. B. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius. C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius. D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. Answer: A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. How should the cleanliness of a 3-compartment sink be maintained throughout the day? A. By wiping it down with a towel after each use. B. By sanitizing it at the end of each shift. C. By cleaning and sanitizing it before first use and as needed throughout the day. D. By only rinsing it with hot water. Answer: C. By cleaning and sanitizing it before first use and as needed throughout the day. In terms of attire, food handlers are advised to A. Wear clothes that are easy to clean and maintain. B. Dress in dark colors to hide stains. C. Choose loose and comfortable clothing. D. Opt for fashionable rather than practical garments. Answer A. Wear clothes that are easy to clean and maintain. What is the minimum internal cooking temperature for ratites such as ostrich and emu? A. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. B. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. C. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. D. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Answer C. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. The reason for prohibiting most types of jewelry in the kitchen is: A. They can get damaged. B. They can cause distractions. C. They pose a physical hazard to food safety. D. They reflect light and can be blinding. Answer C. They pose a physical hazard to food safety. When reheating foods for immediate service, they should reach an internal temperature of: A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. B. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius. C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius. D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. Answer D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. Upon arriving at work, a food handler should first: A. Check the schedule. B. Greet colleagues. C. Wash hands thoroughly. D. Review the menu. Answer C. Wash hands thoroughly. Proper etiquette for serving a wine glass includes: A. Holding the glass by the stem. B. Filling the glass to the top. C. Allowing guests to pour their own wine. D. Holding the glass by the bowl. Answer A. Holding the glass by the stem. Ground seafood, such as ground fish and shellfish, should be cooked to a minimum internal temperature of: A. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. B. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. C. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. D. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Answer A. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. The correct method for serving side dishes is to: A. Serve them on separate small plates. B. Place them directly on the main plate. C. Allow guests to serve themselves from a central bowl. D. Stack them on top of the main dish. Answer A. Serve them on separate small plates. What should food handlers do with their personal items like cell phones during work? A. Keep them in a pocket for easy access. B. Use them only during breaks and in designated areas. C. Place them on the food prep counter for convenience. D. Store them securely away from food preparation areas. Answer D. Store them securely away from food preparation areas. The proper minimum internal cooking temperature for whole lobster is: A. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. B. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Answer A. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. What is the minimum internal cooking temperature for vegetables that will be hot held for service? A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. B. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius. C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius. D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. Answer A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. When calibrating thermometers using the ice point method, the final reading of the thermometers should be 45 degrees Fahrenheit 7 degrees Celsius. True or false? False. After cleaning and sanitizing items in a 3-compartment sink, they must be wiped dry with a clean towel. True or false? False. Thermometers should be calibrated regularly to ensure accurate temperature readings. True or false? True.